Okay, so let's take a look at how you can install Maven on Ubuntu. So first thing, let's go to maven.apache.org, and here you'll find option to download and install, right? So let's see the installation options. So here you see the installation from source is listed here. Now meanwhile, what we can do is we can open terminal, type in sudo apt update, and we can let it update, right? Also we can type in sudo apt install then default -jdk, which will choose the jdk from Ubuntu's repository, right? And once it is installed, we can type in java --version, and it should return the JDK version that is currently installed on the system. Now what we can do is, after that we will again do sudo apt update, right? And then we will go for Maven, right? So let it check for updates, right? And if there are any, it will check for those. Next thing we will do sudo apt install and Maven, right? So it should install the current Maven version that is within the repository. So let's hit enter, and it should ask you to say yes to the packages that are being installed. And once installed, it should give you the empty prompt, right? So that's the point where we are going to check for Maven version before using it in the use case that we need it for, right? So let the package install, and here you see the prompt is about to be released. So let's clear this. So Maven --version. So it seems like one more dash was added. So Maven -version. It seems okay. So the thing is, the command is not Maven but mvn, right? So mvn -version, and let's see if it returns. So here you go, Apache Maven 3.6.3, which should be a few months back, because the current one is 3.8.5. so if you want the latest one, then you will have to find the repository where you have Apache Maven updated on regular basis. So this one is LTS release for Ubuntu, and that repository has the 3.6.3 version as of now, right? Now we can go ahead, type in maven-help and check for all the commands that you can use with Maven. So this was installing Maven on Ubuntu.